Have you ever wondered how those massive metal tubes can dive deep into the ocean and then resurface? This is your easy explanation of how submarines work. Submarines are incredible machines that can navigate the vast underwater world. They're essential for everything from research to defense. Simply put, a submarine is a watercraft capable of independent operation underwater. Its main purpose is deep-sea travel and operation. The basic principles of a submarine rely on controlling its weight and volume to manage buoyancy, allowing it to sink or float. The core science behind a submarine is buoyancy, whether an object floats or sinks based on the water it displaces compared to its own weight. Archimedes' principle states that the buoyant force on an object equals the weight of the fluid it displaces. A submarine uses this principle constantly. Submarines have special compartments called ballast tanks. These are crucial for controlling whether the submarine floats or sinks. To dive, a submarine needs to become heavier than the amount of water it displaces. This is achieved by taking in water. The submarine opens valves to allow seawater to flood the ballast tanks. As water flows in, the total weight of the submarine increases. To maintain a specific depth, the submarine achieves neutral buoyancy, where its weight exactly equals the buoyant force. It's like floating perfectly still in the water. To surface, the submarine needs to become lighter, creating a positive buoyant force to push it upward. Compressed air is used to forcefully push the water out of the ballast tanks. This quickly reduces the submarine's weight. Once the ballast tanks are emptied, the submarine is lighter than the displaced water, creating positive buoyancy and causing it to rise to the surface. Submarines don't just rely on buoyancy. They also need propulsion and control systems to move horizontally and steer. Fins, also called hydroplanes, control the angle of the dive or rise, while the rudder steers the submarine left and right, just like on a surface ship. Submarines are powered either by nuclear reactors, allowing for long periods underwater, or diesel-electric engines. Since they operate for long periods sealed off underwater, life support and navigation are critical systems. Onboard systems generate oxygen, usually by splitting water molecules, and filter out carbon dioxide to keep the crew breathing fresh air. Submarines navigate by sending out sound waves and listening for echoes, a technique called sonar, which allows them to see obstacles and the seafloor. The submarine is a true marvel of engineering, combining physics and complex systems to conquer the depths of the ocean. Remember, the key functions are controlling buoyancy using ballast tanks to dive by filling them with water, and surface by pushing the water out with compressed air. Today, submarines are used for defense, scientific research, deep-sea exploration, and even laying communication cables across the ocean floor.